David Stevens. I am CMR over here at the Tidal Basin project. I am originally from Arizona, but I currently live in New Orleans, Louisiana. Probably this job, I'm not gonna lie, because I mean, you're in DC, how can you not think that this is an amazing project? I mean, I've never been here, so I might be biased in that sense, but this is probably by far one of the coolest projects I've been on. I think one of the coolest, interesting things I think I've seen out here was actually the Z panels, them flying them in the air and setting them in place and watching them welded in. And that's probably the coolest thing for me to see out here. For fun, depending on what kind of mood I am, if I want to do something physical, I'd probably want to play basketball. But if it's more like a chill, sit down, hang out type, video games. I love playing video games. Let me get the name right.
Yeah.
But it is a random show I found that I started watching. It's called Dirk Gently's Holistic Detective Agency. It's random, but I think that's what I like about it, is that it's so random. I wanted to be a football player.
Okay.
I wanted to play in the NFL. I wanted to be a wide receiver. I wanted to be like Jerry Rice. My favorite thing is probably the interactions with people on the daily, because it's always different. It's never the same. Some days people are sad. Some days people are really happy. But I'm really good at making those sad people happy. So I think that's the interactions with different people, whether it's even on the job site or the public walking around.